Hello everyone, it's been a while, so I'm going to do some Forex analysis. I'm not well, so play some background music. Starting the DXY, your weekly levels in blue, dailies in red. You can see here, made a higher high, higher low, high high, reached the higher high, and moved down to this region here. So now it's at a higher low. We expect DXY to go up from here, so dollar will be going down. Euro GBP, weekly resistance, weekly support, daily resistance. Here's your H4 resistance. Here's your H4 support, where it's at now. Go to H1, get the Fibonacci retracement tool, get it from the high of the day, previous day to the low. These are your levels before the market opened today. Before the market opened, not today, yesterday. So when price came here, we would have looked for buys, but you see it would have failed, would have went to the H4. So now you can extend it, and this is your H1. So if it increases from here, then we can assume bullish momentum on M15 and enter a buy trade. So this would be your setup, long position. 6 pip stop loss. TP1 would be here, 24 pips. TP2, TP3. It's a risk to reward ratio of 11. So we'll see how that plays out. If I see bullish momentum here after this candlestick, inverted hammerhead, buyers are coming into the market, potentially buy. Let's go into Euro USD. So remember DXY on H4. Hold on. Weekly, daily, H4. I didn't update the H4 levels. So on a H4 level with a daily resist support, here is your daily resistance. So if price increases from the Y support, we could expect a reversal. DXY will go up from here, which means Euro USD will go down. So let's have a look. Weekly H4 resistance in blue, H4 support, weekly, daily resistance, daily support. What I'll do is, that's your daily support, this is your daily resistance. As you can see, price is approaching the daily resistance. Remember, the price is on a daily support on the DXY, so from here it will likely reject. So if Dixie goes up, the USD goes down. H4 resistance. H4 support on H1. Here's your H1 resistance. Here's your H1 support. This would have been your level before the market opened. Get extended here. Would have been a good buy 2 hours ago. Sorry, a good sell. Stop loss just above. That would have been a sell trade. I missed it now though. USD, weekly, support, resistance, daily, here's your daily support, here's your daily resistance, price move from support to resistance, H4, support, H4 resistance, H1 Fibonacci retracement tool, get from the previous day's low to the previous day's high. These would be your levels before the market opened. However, as you can see, it's gone all the way up here. H1 support, H1 resistance. This is our resistance. We're looking for potential sell trade. Remember, DXY is our H4 support. If DXY goes up from here, USD is going to go down from here. So that's why potential sell trade. If we highlight the candle, this one, into a sell trade, you're risking 20 pips to win 160 pips. Risk to reward ratio of 8. 14 pips stop loss, 162 TP, 11 and risk to reward ratio. So I'm waiting for that. If that continues to go down, it's currently at the level. But hammerhead formation. So we'll see how the next candle plays out, and I'll enter sell trade. As you can see, the exponential moving average, it's just breached it to form a high. Use the EMA as potential resistance as well and move down. Next is EJ. EJ, weekly support, weekly resistance. Daily support, daily resistance. It's currently at close to the daily resistance. Here's your H4 levels. As you can see, it's in a range. So if we go here, H4 support, H4 resistance. You can see it's continued to move in between in a range. So you go support, resistance, support, resistance, support. It's likely to reject this area here and go back to resistance. So break it down further, go to H1 time frame. Click the Fibonacci retracement tool. Look at the previous day's price action. Get from the high of the day to the low. So these would have been your levels before the market opened today. But not been well, so I wasn't able to do it this morning. I will be doing some analysis every day from now on. It's time to get back into trading. So these would have been your levels before the market opened. As you can see how accurate these are. When the market opened this morning, where's it? 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock, London session opened. You can see sellers into the market. Sellers have not breached the 0%, and then once it breaches the 0%, it continues to be bearish. It goes to minus 23% first. As you can see, it breached that. Then it goes to minus 61 fib. And look at that, how accurate that analysis is. So all I did was drag it from, I'll show you again, Fibonacci retracement tool. Look at these breakers. So this is today, this is yesterday, this is the day before, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're looking at Thursday's price action, so we'll look at the day before, get from the high of the day to the low, stretch it out, 100%, 0%. If price reaches here, which it did, you can expect a retracement. You can see it retraced all the way to 61.8, nearly 78.6. So from here, you could have even took a sell trade if you were awake at 5 o'clock in the morning. Could have took a sell trade there. Could have literally took a sell trade here. That would have been TP1, 41 pips, TP2, 57 pips, TP3, if you were all the way in, 80 pips. pay £1,000 if you're trading £10 a pip. Now we can extend the Fibonacci tool out because the price action is updated. These are levels now. So although the price is bullish now and it is relatively close to the H4, it can still decrease further and be bearish. So I wouldn't take a buy or sell trade yet because it's still in the middle. Only trade at high probable areas which are near the level or on the level. So USD card, last one. Weekly resistance, weekly support. Daily resistance here. You can see it rejected it twice. Daily support. It's close to the support. Could decline further before increasing. Now you will update the H4 levels. Here's your most recent H4. You can see price rejected a massive wick here. And also there's a H4 below at the moment. That was your most recent H4 support. Here's your H4 resistance. So price will move in between these levels. Now let's go to the H1. Fibonacci tracement tool. High the day to the low. Could have took a sell trade today at 1 o'clock. So again, I've missed that one because I was not well. Could have had stop loss above 5 pips. This would have been your TP. So you're risking. Oh, risking 5 pips to win 33 pips. Risk reward ratio 6. Would have entered here. Still near the trade. Close it at 33 pips. Trading £10 a pip, that is £3,300. I hope you enjoy this analysis. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.